Yeah, hi guys. Today we are going to discuss another important topic about Telangana irrigation. There are many projects are there based on river Godavari and Krishna and their tributaries. So we are going to discuss such irrigation projects. Yesterday we did complete some projects and today also we are going to make like projects based on Godavari and its tributaries and based on interstate related projects we are going to complete today itself, and tomorrow we are going to discuss the Krishna based river projects. Okay, yeah guys, yesterday we did complete all over the projects which are Maneru, like these kind of projects, canals, Sri Ram Sagar projects. And next, today there is another important project based on Godavari river is Sripada Ellampalli project. Sripada Ellampalli projects. So the details of this projects, where it is located and purpose of this project we are going to discuss now class. Okay, yep. And yes, the location where it is Ramagundam, Peddapalli district, Telangana. Okay, Ramagundam, it is the Peddapalli, the place where Ramagundam, Telangana, and it is Godavari, river is Godavari, district is Peddapalli, place is Ramagundam. Okay, it is about reservoir, barrage and storage reservoir. It is, yeah, where it is established 2004. 2004, the minister Y.S. Rajashekar Reddy inaugurated this project. Okay, the main aim, this is completed at 2010. Okay, the status which is operational right now, it is operational status, existence agency, irrigation department, AP government. Guys, here location is the important, river is the important. Sripada Ellampalli is based on which river? Okay, this project on the which river, they can ask you the question. River is the important, and year which is starting of year, construction is 2004 is important. This and this is important for exam point of view. Just look at here diagram. Yeah, it is the location between the Manchiral district and Peddapalli district, based on Manchiral and Peddapalli, the border which is Manchiral and Peddapalli. Manchiral is a place where Singareni, the coal mines are allocated here, the place. And if come to the Peddapalli, where the power generation NTPC is the National Thermal Power Corporation is there in the Peddapalli district, and Singareni is the Manchiral, there is a coal mines are there. So this project, they can give the water into these parts like NTPC and Singareni. So that is why it is the main projects of Telangana were built on Godavari river. Okay, I hope you guys understand this. Okay, Sripada Ellampalli projects, the place is Ellampalli. Yeah, next we are going to discuss about more details about, it is about 63 TMC water. Okay, 63 TMC water, this is also keyword for the exam, and 900 crores. Okay, they can for this expenses about this project is 900 crores for the making 63 TMCs. Okay, second phase, it is about 49 TMC, second phase also they made. Okay, the districts are benefited for this projects are Karimnagar, Adilabad, Nizamabad, Warangal and Medak districts. Karimnagar mean there are certain places of Peddapalli, like Adilabad mean there is certain places are Asfabad and Manchiral districts, and United Adilabad actually. Nizamabad also United Nizamabad, there is the Jagityal, Warangal also United Warangal. These places benefited through this project. Okay, yeah, there are 6 TMC water is allocated for NTPC. Okay, there are 6 TMC water is allocated for NTPC. Okay, NTPC is located at Ramagundam, Ramagundam, the place located in the NTPC are located in Ramagundam. Okay, yeah. Guys, just it is 63 TMCs. After construction, it is phase 2 is 43 TMCs. The districts are Karimnagar, Adilabad, Nizamabad and Warangal. Medak districts are benefited. The NTPC also, there is a 66 TMC water is allocated for NTPC. They can ask you which projects is based on the NTPC is depend on which projects. Sripada Ellampalli project. The water source are utilized by NTPC. Yep. Key features of these projects. Okay. Storage capacity is important. It is 20 TMC. Okay. Yeah. Storage capacity is important. Okay. Power generation also made here. The hydroelectrical power which is 18 megawatts. These are the keywords about these projects. Okay. These are the keywords. Storage capacity and power generation are the keywords for this, okay, for this project. Yeah. Purpose of this project: irrigation, okay, irrigation and drinking water and industrial water, and there are link projects. Irrigation stabilizing supplement of water from SRSP projects. Okay. There is a water from the Sri Ram Sagar projects, they enter into this project. Okay. That is irrigation purpose. Okay. Yeah, drinking water, it is supplies to the Hyderabad Ramagundam Godavarikani area. Okay. This Ellampalli, Sripada Ellampalli, the project water is directly that is utilized by people who are Karimnagar, Ramagundam and Godavarikani, Hyderabad also. Okay. Yeah, they can provide water from this project to the Hyderabad. Okay. This is keyword for exam, TSPSC. Okay. Yeah, industrial water, NTPC, Ramagundam and Singareni also. This is also keyword. Okay. Which projects they can provide water to the Hyderabad? Okay. Which project they can provide water like industries like Singareni and NTPC. These are the keyword for exam. Okay. Yeah. And link project for the Kaleshwaram. Okay. Kaleshwaram lift irrigation project. It is the link to the Kaleshwaram project. Okay. Yes. I hope you guys understand this. And beneficiary districts. Okay. For Sripada Ellampalli projects, they can utilize the water for the what kind of districts? Peddapalli, Karimnagar, Sirisilla, Jagityal, Siddipet and Hyderabad. These are the districts are most important, guys, for the exam point of view. 6 districts are benefited. Okay. Yeah, this is Peddapalli, there is a location obviously. Karimnagar irrigation and drinking water. Okay. Sirisilla is canal supply and Jagityal also canal irrigation, and Siddipet drinking and Hyderabad drinking. Okay. This is the most important, the term where Ellampalli, Sripada Ellampalli project, this is the benefits. Okay. What are the districts? 6 districts they got benefited. This is important for TSPSC. Sripada Ellampalli projects, the district they can use. Okay. The districts are use the water of Sripada Ellampalli projects. Okay. Yes. Yeah. Focus point about TSPSC. What are the points we have to focus about this project? Okay. Yeah. Location Peddapalli, Ramagundam, Peddapalli district, Ramagundam, and river is Godavari. Okay. Storage capacity 20 TMC, TMC, and it is purpose multi-purpose irrigation, drinking water and Kaleshwaram lift irrigation balancing. Okay. And there is a connected SRSP, Sri Ram Sagar projects and Kaleshwaram project. Okay. Annaram Sundilla Dam barrage. Annaram Sundilla barrage also it can be connected. Okay. Water supply to the Hyderabad and NTPC Singareni. This is keyword for TSPSC. Most important. Okay. This is about Sripada Ellampalli project. Sripada Hellampalli projects. Okay, keywords about TSPSC. You have to be, these are the main keywords for the coming exam. Okay, yeah. Next, Devadula lift irrigation project. Devadula lift irrigation project. Okay, yeah. Where it is location? Okay, it is, yeah, Jammi Togu Devadula village, Mulugu district. Devadula village, Mulugu district. Mulugu is the place where high dense forest is located. Okay, Mulugu is the very high dense forest is there. Okay, forest density is high. So there is a project built on the in the project where the place is Devadula, Mulugu district. River is Godavari. This is keyword. Okay, river is the Godavari. This is keyword. Okay, project type, which is major irrigation, lift irrigation project, major project. Major mean it is about more than like 10,000 square kilometers, right? More than 10,000 square kilometers. Okay, major lift irrigation project. Okay, where it is located? Mulugu district, Devadula is the place. Okay, river is Godavari. It is major irrigation, lift irrigation project named after where, okay, Chokka Rao, the former irrigation minister. Okay, Chokka Rao project also. Here started 2001. Okay, where it is started? 2001. Okay, they can ask you the recent projects and oldest projects in the chronology order also. Okay, in that way you have to find this is the oldest project 2001. Okay, Devadula is 2001, Sripada Ellampalli is 2004. Y.S. Rajshekar Reddy is the CM inaugurated these projects. Okay, I hope you guys understand it. Okay, yeah. Purpose of this project, where it is located in the Mulugu Devadula, right? Okay, the river is Godavari. Okay, purpose of this project: irrigation, drinking water, stabilization and drought relief. Okay, irrigation, it is the lift irrigation water from Godavari, irrigation purpose. Okay, drinking water, Warangal, Siddipet, this is important keyword. Okay, Devadula give the water into the Warangal people and Siddipet people for drinking purpose. Okay, irrigation, we know the irrigation, Ayakat and minor canals also there. Okay, this is the keyword for exam, guys. This is a keyword for exam. Okay, they can provide drinking water for the Warangal and Siddipet. Okay, this is Devadula project. Okay, key features of the project. What are the features? Mean water resources, Godavari river, the water is where enter Eturu Nagaram. Okay, Eturu Nagaram wildlife sanctuary is there. Wildlife sanctuary. Eturu Nagaram wildlife sanctuary. This Devadula project, they can give water into the Eturu Nagaram. Okay, wildlife sanctuary. Okay, yeah, lift height they might not ask you. Okay, TMC is 38 to 40 TMC. They can ask you the TMC. Okay, how much they can ask you increasing order, decreasing order based on TMC. Okay, yeah, Ayakat they might not ask you. Yeah, these are the two main important for this key features. Okay, yes, yeah, canals. Okay, stage 1, stage 2, stage 3 constructed 3 canals. Okay, there are canals constructed under this Devadula project. Stage 1 and stage 2, stage 3 canals are there. Stage 1 they can provide water Warangal, Mulugu, Jaishankar, Bhupalpalli. Stage 1. Stage 2 Siddipet and Janagam. Stage 2 Siddipet and Janagam. Stage 3 is Nalagonda and Suryapet, Yadradri. Guys, this is the most important for TSPSC. Devadula project, which is Godavari river. Godavari river. Guys, what are the districts? 3 stages they constructed this project based on. Warangal is 1 district, Mulugu 2, and Jaishankar Bhupalpalli 3, and Siddipet 4, and Janagam 5, and Nalagonda 6, Yadradri 7, Suryapet 8. Guys, Devadula is going to give water into the 8 districts. This is the most important for TSPSC. Which one of the following is district is not under the Devadula project? Okay, they can ask you such kind of Devadula project, they can flow into this all 8 districts, guys. Okay, either drinking purpose or irrigation purpose. Drinking mainly Warangal and Siddipet. Okay, drinking mainly Warangal and Siddipet. Okay, yeah. Guys, I hope you guys understand Devadula. Okay, Devadula built on the place Devadula where a river is Godavari, Mulugu district. There is a wildlife sanctuary, Eturu Nagaram wildlife sanctuary is there in this district. Okay, that is keyword for this coming exam. Okay, focused points. Okay, key points. Okay, last revision points about river Godavari, Devadula, where Godavari, district Mulugu, okay, and height 510, okay, purpose irrigation and drought prone, okay, TMCs 38 to 40 TMCs, okay, Ayakat 6 lakhs acres, 6 lakhs acres, this is keyword, okay, 6 lakhs acres, okay. It is related to Warangal, Siddipet, Janagam, Nalagonda like Suryapet, 8 districts hena, 8 districts most important under the Devadula project. Okay, I hope you guys understand this. Okay, yeah, quick revision, guys. I am going to give you all the points relevant projects. Okay, you have to enough if you come across this. Okay, yeah, location Devadula, Mulugu district, Godavari, and major lift irrigation 38 to 40 TMCs, they don't ask you this meters, and they can ask you 6 lakhs acres. Okay, the Ayakat planned for 6 lakhs acres. Okay, this is huge. Okay, districts benefited, that is Warangal, Siddipet, Janagam, Nalagonda. Okay, main districts. Okay, Suryapet is there and Jaishankar Bhupalpalli also there. Okay, 8 districts are there mainly. These are the Warangal, Siddipet is the drinking waters. Okay, Janagam, Nalagonda, Mulugu and Suryapet and Jaishankar Bhupalpalli. 8 districts, the Devadula, they can flow. Okay, I hope you guys understand this. Yeah. Okay, next project is Ali Sagar lift irrigation project. Ali Sagar lift irrigation project. Okay, yeah, Ali Sagar. This is also most important project based on the river Godavari. Okay, yeah. Location, it is Nizamabad district and Telangana state. Okay, the water source is Godavari river. Okay, left bank canal of SRSP. Yeah, left bank canal of SRSP. This is also keyword. It is the project based on left bank canal of the SRSP. That left bank canal is allocated. There is a project which is Ali Sagar lift irrigation project. Okay, the project type is lift irrigation. It is minor reservoir. Minor reservoir. Minor mean between 2000 to 10,000 square kilometers. They can give the water into this area. Okay, minor lift irrigation. Okay, reservoir is Ali Sagar reservoir. Okay, that is originally built in 1931 by Nizam. Guys, this is important. 1931 by Nizam. Okay, Nizam, they can build. Okay, 1931. Okay, SRSP is 1964. SRSP 1964. Okay, yeah, Ali Sagar is 1931. 1931. This is important, guys. Oldest lift irrigation project. Okay, first they can build, they don't build the lift irrigation, first they build a project like reservoir. Okay, after that they made SRSP, then they can make it is the lift irrigation project after that. Okay, initially it is 1931 they made a reservoir, water resource reservoir, okay, for eco-friendly. Okay, there are certain species they can depend on this. Okay, this is the history of Ali Sagar, most important, guys. In that way I did made some notes. Okay, it is the year 1931. Ali Sagar reservoir is the lake, initially it is the lake, okay, water reservoir, in order to Nizam, okay, Hyderabad. In the year 1985 the deer park was established. Okay, 1931 it is the lake. Okay, 1985 it made as deer park. 1985 it is made as deer park established and aim to offer safe haven several species of deer. A natural habitat was created for deer. Okay, this is the dense vegetation as witnessed. This is important. Before Ali Sagar project, this is the history of the Ali Sagar project. First it is the lake, reservoir of water, and 1985 it is made it as a deer park. Okay, for a rich habitation, rich vegetation. Okay, it is aim to the safe haven several species like deer. Okay, this is important, guys. Okay, Ali Sagar lift irrigation project is a lift irrigation project located Nizamabad district, Telangana. Okay, lift canal is originated from the bank of Pochampad river, mean Pochampad dam mean SRSP dam, guys. Okay, this is the history of the Ali Sagar dam, lift irrigation dam, most important, guys. Okay, 1935 okay, it is lake. Okay, and 1985 it is a deer park, and now it is Ali Sagar lift irrigation project. Yeah, purpose of this project: irrigation, agriculture, water storage. Okay, irrigation, agriculture, water storage. Purpose of this project is multi-purpose, that is irrigation, agriculture and water storage. Irrigation about Nizamabad region. Okay, water can they can support paddy, maize, turmeric and other crops. Okay, for agriculture point of view. Okay, it is act as local reservoir for storing water. Okay, so irrigation and agriculture. Okay, of course there are similar. Yeah, key features of this project, Ali Sagar project: water resource from the Godavari river. Okay, from the via SRSP project, it is the water resource from the SRSP Godavari river. There is a SRSP built on Godavari river, right? From the SRSP there built is Ali Sagar project. Okay, yes. Ali Sagar tank, it is the old tank modernized linked to the SRSP project. Okay, command area, this might be important. Okay, 15,000 to 20,000 acres. 15,000 to 20,000 acres. They can flow water into the Ditchpalli and Nizamabad town. Okay, Ali Sagar mean blindly you have to remember Nizamabad. Okay, yes. Yeah. Focus point about this Ali Sagar projects. Okay, location Nizamabad, the river Godavari, reservoir name Ali Sagar. Okay, it is the type of river is lift irrigation. It is built a Nizam era. It is about tourism and irrigation. There are high dense forest is there, high dense canopy is there. In that way it is the tourism place also. Okay, yeah, these are the keywords about this project. Okay, I hope you guys understand this. Okay, very simple, guys. you have to find the where it is located, what is purpose of that project, what is structure here. Okay, this is enough for the projects. Okay, they mainly they can ask you, if they want a difficult, they can ask you the districts how many covered under this project. Okay, districts how many covered under this projects also there is questions in the recent exams, guys. Quick summary: location Nizamabad. Okay, and there is a Godavari river. The acres how many mean 15 to 20,000. Nizam Hyderabad, which is tourism and deer park. Okay, which is the irrigation projects is relevant to the deer park, Ali Sagar reservoir. Okay, yes. Next project is Ichampalli projects. This is also important, guys. Ichampalli projects. Okay, Ichampalli projects also most important project in the coming exam, guys. This is the named Ichampalli multi-purpose project, guys. Multi-purpose is the keyword for this. Okay, it is based on Godavari river after Indravati meet. Okay, Indravati is the river. Indravati meet Godavari. Indravati meet Godavari, where the place is Ichampalli. After 20 kilometers, okay, Ichampalli. Ichampalli. Indravati meet Godavari. After 20 kilometers, if they flow into the Ichampalli, there is a project which is built on Ichampalli area. Okay, it is the multi-purpose project, irrigation, power and drinking water and flood control. Okay, flood control, it is generate electricity and water drinking and irrigation. Multi-purpose project. Okay, Ichampalli village, Mahadevpur Mandal, Jaishankar, Bhupalpalli. Okay, it is the project where Jaishankar, Bhupalpalli. Okay, Jaishankar Bhupalpalli. This project is located on Jaishankar Bhupalpalli. Okay, yeah, and where this is the interstate project, guys. Okay, interstate project. Most important, guys. They are asking the questions, what are the projects under dispute between the states. Okay, article number 262 of Indian Constitution, article number 262 of Indian Constitution there is a tribunal make place. Okay, article number 262, according to the Indian Constitution, there is a tribunal based on interstate water disputes. Okay, this Ichampalli is the states involved Telangana, Chhattisgarh and Maharashtra. Telangana, Chhattisgarh and Maharashtra. Okay, these three states are involved in the Ichampalli project. This is important. They can ask you Telangana, Madhya Pradesh and Maharashtra. This is also right. Okay, Chhattisgarh under the Madhya Pradesh based on this project. Of course, they can ask you Chhattisgarh or Madhya Pradesh. Okay, this is the districts Telangana, Chhattisgarh and Maharashtra are the districts, they can share the water. Okay, yeah, interstate project. Ichampalli is the interstate project based on Godavari river, where it is Jaishankar Bhupalpalli. Location is Jaishankar Bhupalpalli. It is the multi-purpose project, water, drinking water, irrigation, hydropower and there is a flood control. Okay, multi-purpose Godavari river, Jaishankar Bhupalpalli. It is interstate project between the three states Maharashtra, Telangana, Chhattisgarh. Okay, there is no Andhra Pradesh. Okay, it is keyword, guys. Keyword about Ichampalli. It is interstate project. Okay, I hope you guys understand this. Yeah, purpose is multi-purpose irrigation, hydropower, drinking water, flood control. Okay, multi-purpose project. Yeah, key points about this project. Okay, like it is a dam and like rock. It is height, they might not ask you height. Megawatts is built 875 megawatts hydropower, guys. Okay, yeah, they don't ask you base, only power capacity they can ask you. Okay, power capacity they can ask you here. Yeah, next, another important interstate water dispute project is Chenaka Kurata. Okay, Chenaka Kurata barrage. This is also most important, guys. Chenaka Kurata also most important for interstate disputes. Okay, yeah, interstate irrigation. The project name is Chenaka Kurata. Okay, it is interstate irrigation project, which is the river is Penganga, guys, not Godavari. Penganga river. Penganga is the tributary of the Godavari. Penganga is the tributary of the Godavari. This is important, guys. Tributary of Godavari. Okay, Chenaka Kurata is the project built on river Penganga, which is tributary of Godavari. Okay, Chenaka is the place Telangana, Kurata is the place Maharashtra. Two villages. Chenaka is the village from the Telangana, Kurata is the village from Maharashtra. Okay, yeah, it is Adilabad. Chenaka is the place Adilabad. Okay, yeah, where it is started 2018. Okay, it is states involved Telangana and Maharashtra. This is important for exam point of view, guys. Chenaka Kurata between Maharashtra and Telangana. District is Adilabad. The river is Penganga, tributary of Godavari, which is established in 2018. Okay, Chenaka is the Telangana place, Adilabad, Kurata is Maharashtra place. Okay, I hope you guys understand this project, interstate project between Maharashtra and Telangana. Okay, yes, yeah, the structure of this river is Penganga. Okay, features of this project. Barrage is border of Telangana and Maharashtra. Adilabad, yeah, districts. Telangana is the Adilabad. Maharashtra what district? This is Yavatmal. Yavatmal is the district of Maharashtra. Okay, Telangana is Adilabad. District is Yavatmal of Maharashtra. Okay, yeah, type of barrage which is, yeah, it is about 213 meters. Okay, 23 gates. Okay, yeah, this is about the key features of the project. Yeah, purpose of this project, irrigation is the first purpose, and drinking water also, flood control. Okay, irrigation, drinking water and flood control are the purpose of this project. Irrigation is the main project, which is 51,000 acres in Adilabad. Okay, 51,000 okay, acres of Adilabad. Okay, yeah, and also irrigation under Maharashtra. Okay, yeah, guys, 51,000 you have to remember acres in Adilabad. Okay, yeah, Maharashtra, yeah, memorandum of understanding between two states. Okay, in 2016. Okay, yeah, technical, which is, this is important, guys, 0.85 TMC of water. 0.85 TMC of water give 50,000 acres. 50,000 acres. Okay, yeah, total cost which is 368 crores. This is also important. Year 2018. The cost also they can ask you. Okay, 368.28 crores. Okay, the cost also they can ask you sometimes. Okay, yes, Yeah. Based on Chanaka Korata, there is a MCQs. We look into this. Chanaka Korata barrage built on which river? Penganga. Which river? Penganga. Okay. Chanaka Korata barrage benefit which Telangana district? Adilabad. Adilabad is the district which can be benefited through this project. Chanaka Korata barrage is joint project Telangana which state? Maharashtra. Which is the joint project with the which district is Maharashtra. Okay. I hope you guys understand this. Next, Lendi project. Lendi project. Okay. Lendi project. This is also interstate project. It is most important, guys. Interstate project. Okay. Project name is Lendi Irrigation project. Lendi Irrigation project. It is about Manjira river, guys. Manjira river. Okay. Chanaka Korata is Penganga. This Lendi is the Manjira river, most important, guys. Lendi river, Lendi is the river tributary of Manjira, guys. Manjira is the tributary of Godavari. Okay. Lendi is the river tributary of Manjira. Manjira is tributary of Godavari. Okay. Lendi is the tributary of Manjira. Manjira is tributary of Godavari. Okay. Lendi project. Okay. Yeah. It is, yeah, Nanded district of Maharashtra. The project Nanded district of Maharashtra. Okay. There is Deglar Taluk. Taluk is Deglar and Nanded district. District they can ask you. The Lendi project is located Lendi Nanded district, Maharashtra. Lendi is the river. Okay. Yeah. Which is beneficiary states Telangana. Okay. Formally it is Andhra Pradesh. The type of medium irrigation project. It is the purpose irrigation drought prone in the Nizamabad district, Telangana. Lendi project is they can help for the Telangana is district benefited is Nizamabad. Okay. Lendi is the project which can be provide water to the Nizamabad district of Telangana. Okay. Lendi is the interstate project between Telangana and Maharashtra, where the place is Nanded district of Maharashtra. Lendi is the river which is tributary of the Manjira. Okay. I hope you guys understand this. Okay. Yeah. Geographical features. The tributary is Lendi, river is Lendi. Catchment area Maharashtra, Telangana. It is flow into the Telangana. Okay. Project name is Nanded district location. Okay. Irrigation in the Nizamabad district. This is the keyword for TSPSC. TSPSC keyword. The benefited district in the Telangana is Nizamabad. Chanaka Korata, the benefited district in the Telangana is Adilabad. Lendi is the Nizamabad between Maharashtra and Telangana. Because of these rivers are northern Telangana. Godavari and Godavari tributaries are mostly northern Telangana. North is the Maharashtra, Chhattisgarh are the projects are associated with Godavari and tributary projects. I hope you guys understand this. Okay. Yeah. Purpose of Lendi. Okay. Designed to irrigation around 24,000 acres. Okay. In the Nizamabad district. 24,000 acres. Okay. North Telangana. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. There is a coordination between the Maharashtra and Telangana. Okay. Coordination between the Maharashtra and Telangana. Yeah. Technical features, they don't ask you. The TMCs, they can ask you. 6.36 TMCs are produced from this Lendi project. Okay. Under 6.36, okay, that is 2.3 39 which is Telangana. Remain 3.79 I think. Okay, Maharashtra. Okay, Telangana, which is Nizamabad. Maharashtra is Nanded. Okay, this is the TMCs they can share, Maharashtra and Telangana. Okay, yeah. Next, MCQs based on Lendi. Okay, Lendi project benefits Nizamabad district in Telangana built on which river? Lendi river. Okay, which based on Lendi river. This is a tributary of Manjira. Manjira river. Okay, yes, yeah. Rajeshwar, Lower Penganga project or Rajeshwar. Okay, Lower Penganga project or Rajeshwar project or Lower Penganga. Okay, yeah. The river is Penganga. It is also interstate project, Maharashtra and Telangana. And the purpose of this project, it is under planning, proposed under planning. It is the joint utilization of Penganga waters. Okay, Lower Penganga or Rajeshwar project under processing right now. They might ask you. Okay, they can interstate projects, right? Interstate projects are the most important projects for coming exams. Okay, yes, yeah. Next, another interstate project is Pranahita Chevalla lift irrigation scheme. Okay, another important irrigation between the interstate, okay, between the states, Pranahita Chevalla lift irrigation scheme. Earlier, this we can call KLIS. Okay, Kaleshwaram lift irrigation. Okay, Pranahita is the major tributary of Godavari. Pranahita is major tributary of Godavari. Pranahita tributary of Godavari. But Pranahita are the combination of two rivers, guys. Okay, Venganga, Varda. Venganga and Varda. Varda river, they can flow from the Maharashtra Venganga flow from the Madhya Pradesh. Okay, guys, Venganga and Varda. Okay, Venganga and Varda together to make Pranahita. Okay, after enter into the Telangana, it is enter into the Godavari. Okay, in the Telangana, Pranahita enter into the Godavari. Before that, it is the river of Venganga from Madhya Pradesh and Maharashtra Varda. Two rivers to make Pranahita river. Pranahita river, if they enter into the Godavari, it is enter into the Telangana, they can enter into the Godavari river in the Telangana. Okay, yeah, it is the major tributary of Godavari. Pranahita is the major tributary of Godavari, which is North Telangana. Okay, it is the state between the Maharashtra and Telangana. Pranahita Chevalla is the project which is based on two states, Maharashtra and Telangana. This is also okay. This is actually stopped. This project is stopped due to the submergence of the Maharashtra, and it is shifted to the Kaleshwaram lift irrigation. Okay, Kaleshwaram lift irrigation, based on that it is the project is stopped. Okay, that might be asked. It is the dispute under dispute project, they might be asked in the coming exam. Pranahita Chevella is between two states, that is Maharashtra and Telangana. Okay, yes. And Ichampalli projects. Ichampalli is based on Godavari, Telangana, Maharashtra and Chhattisgarh. We discussed, right? Telangana, Maharashtra, Chhattisgarh, mainly irrigation, hydropower and drinking. Mainly irrigation, hydropower and drinking. This is multi-purpose and it is interstate project. Ichampalli. And Babali project. Babali project, which is also dispute. It is based on Godavari river and Maharashtra and the Telangana border. It is constructed near Maharashtra and Telangana. Okay, it is a dispute with Telangana AP earlier. Okay, Babali project is interstate project between two states are Maharashtra and Telangana. Earlier it is Andhra Pradesh. Okay, Polavaram project. This is the actually key project. Okay, there is AP is fight, Polavaram is the national project. Okay, fight for national project. Okay, major project of Andhra Pradesh. Okay, but it is Godavari based. Polavaram project is the Godavari based project. It is the major project for the Andhra Pradesh. Okay, Andhra Pradesh main, Telangana, Odisha, Chhattisgarh. Okay, also areas are covered of this Polavaram project. Telangana, Odisha, not okay, Odisha and Chhattisgarh. Telangana, Odisha and Chhattisgarh. Maharashtra is not there. For Polavaram. Polavaram is the project based on Godavari river. It is between the states Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Odisha and Chhattisgarh. Okay, Telangana, which is the district affected Bhadrachalam, Bhadradri, Kottagudem district, they can be affected for this project Polavaram, the district which is Bhadrachalam. Guys, Polavaram is the Bhadrachalam district, Chenaka Korata is Adilabad, Lendi is Nizamabad. Okay, the districts which are covered in the interstate projects. Ichampalli is the Jaishankar Bhupalpalli. Lendi is the Nizamabad, Chenaka Korata is Adilabad, and this is the Polavaram is Bhadradri Kottagudem. These districts are affected through the interstate projects. This is the most important, guys. I did sort out, there is a projects and river and states involved status. This is the key slide for you guys. I did made very easy notes for you guys for exam point of view. Okay, just you have to look at SRSP, Pochampad, Kaleshwaram, okay, Godavari river. Okay, guys, SRSP, Telangana and Maharashtra, Kaleshwaram, also Godavari and Pranahita mixed, that is Maharashtra, Chhattisgarh, Telangana, three states. Okay, and Chenaka Korata, which is Penganga, Telangana and Maharashtra. Chenaka Korata based on Penganga river, Telangana and Maharashtra. Lendi is Manjira river. Lendi, tributary of Manjira. Lendi is the river tributary of Manjira, which is based on Maharashtra and Telangana. Ichampalli is on the Godavari, Maharashtra, Telangana and Chhattisgarh. Okay, Pranahita Chevella, Telangana, Maharashtra. Okay, Rajeshwar is the lower Penganga, which is Telangana and Maharashtra. Okay, Kadam is Telangana and Maharashtra. Guys, almost Godavari rivers, Telangana and Maharashtra. Here, just Kaleshwaram is Chhattisgarh involved. And Ichampalli is Chhattisgarh involved. Ichampalli also Chhattisgarh involved. Okay, almost Maharashtra and Telangana based on Godavari. Ichampalli and Kaleshwaram, both there is a Chhattisgarh involved. This is the key word for coming exam, guys. This is the keynotes coming exam. You have to be remember guys, the river and states. This is the most important project name, river and states, most important. Chhattisgarh or involve interstate project Ichampalli and Kaleshwaram. Remain all Maharashtra and Telangana. Okay? Yes. Yeah. Previous year questions based on these projects. Based on this project, previous year questions. Okay? Yeah. Sri Ram Sagar project, SRSP. Okay? Based on Sri Ram Sagar project, previous year question, Sri Ram Sagar project is constructed on which river? Obviously Godavari. Very simple question, right? Okay. Which of the following states are involved in the water sharing with Sri Ram Sagar? Okay. With which state? Maharashtra only. Telangana and Maharashtra. Sri Ram Sagar project is the water, SRLP, the water is between sharing Telangana and Maharashtra. Okay. Next question. Kaleshwaram lift irrigation project, about Kaleshwaram lift irrigation project question. Kaleshwaram lift irrigation draws water from the confluence of which rivers? Godavari Krishna, Godavari Manjira, Godavari Pranahita, Godavari Indravati. Godavari Pranahita. Kaleshwaram is Godavari Pranahita. Pranahita is combination of two rivers, I told you, Vardha and Veenganga. Okay? Yeah. Next question. Which of the following state is not involved in the Kaleshwaram water sharing? Kaleshwaram water sharing, Telangana, Chhattisgarh and Maharashtra, not Odisha. Odisha involved in the Polavaram project. Polavaram project is Polavaram or AP, Andhra Pradesh, Odisha and Telangana, Chhattisgarh, These four states are Polavaram. These three states are Kaleshwaram, not Odisha. Odisha is under Polavaram. Okay. Maharashtra is not there in the Polavaram. Okay. There is no, Odisha is not there in the Kaleshwaram. Okay. I hope you guys understand this. Yeah. Next. Chenaka Korata barrage is located on which river? Okay. Which river? Penganga, guys. Penganga is the river between Adilabad and Maharashtra. Chenaka Korata barrage is giant irrigation project between Telangana and which state? Maharashtra. Which state? Maharashtra. Guys, now it is easy, but if you come across many lessons, you may confuse. You have to be minded. Okay, interstate disputes mainly north Telangana, where Godavari and its tributaries mostly sharing with Maharashtra. Okay. Yeah, Lendi project. Lendi project provide irrigation water to Telangana. Which district? Nizamabad. Nizamabad is the district. Lendi is the tributary of which river? Manjira. Lendi is the tributary of which river? Manjira. Okay. This is important, guys, in the coming exam. Okay. I hope you guys understand this. Yeah. Ichampalli project, based on Ichampalli projects. Ichampalli project is yet to be constructed due to the interstate dispute. Which river on it? Godavari river. Ichampalli, Godavari river. There is a project between three states, Chhattisgarh, Maharashtra and Telangana. Where it is located? Godavari river located. Ichampalli is Jaishankar, Bhupalpalli. Okay, Jaishankar, Bhupalpalli. Yeah. Which of the following state is not involved in the Ichampalli project? Telangana, Maharashtra, Odisha, Chhattisgarh. No Odisha here. No Odisha. Okay? Yes. Yeah. Pranahita Chevella is like stopped scheme. Pranahita Chevella lift irrigation scheme is eventually replaced by which river? Kaleshwaram lift irrigation scheme. Kaleshwaram lift irrigation scheme. Earlier it is Pranahita Chevalla. It is modified into the Kaleshwaram lift irrigation scheme. Okay. Yes, this is huge dispute. Actually, very large amount of Telangana money is consumed by Kaleshwaram lift irrigation project because of modified of, that is Pranahita Chevalla project. Okay. Yes. Polavaram projects, Telangana districts which affected due to the submerge of Polavaram project, Bhadrachalam, Kottagudem. Of course, this is the state where the Bhadrachalam is border of Andhra Pradesh. Okay. Yeah. Babali project, Babali barrage is disputed barrage constructed by which state? Maharashtra. Okay, Babali project is based on Maharashtra. Okay, guys, quick revision. SRSP project Godavari, Chanaka Korata is Penganga, Lendi is Lendi, Manjira tributary, Ichampalli Godavari, Pranahita Chevalla, Pranahita, Polavaram is Godavari, Babali is Godavari. These are the states which are directly dispute under interstate relations. Guys, you have to remember article number 262. Article number 262. Okay, interstate river system. Okay, these are the states, these are the projects, these are the rivers, these are the states. Most important slide, guys, for an exam point of view. Okay, I hope you guys understand this. Okay, this is the most important slide. Okay, these are the rivers where we discussed today. Okay, Ichampalli projects, Ali Sagar. Okay, from here Devadala. Okay, Devadala project we did complete, and Ali Sagar we did complete, and Ichampalli we did complete. Sripada Ellampalli also we did complete. Chenaka Korata. Okay, Bagali. These are the MCQs we did complete. Lendi project we did complete, and this is the Rajeshwar Lower Penganga project, Pranahita Chevalla project, Ichampalli, Babali, Polavaram, and these are the states and rivers states involved. Okay, MCQs, and finally finally states and projects. This is the important topic for the exam point of view, guys. Tomorrow we are going to discuss Krishna river projects and Krishna tributary projects. Tomorrow we have to complete. This is the 4 days class about river system is most important. There are questions coming from this topic, guys. I hope you guys understand. If you like this video, you can like it and share it. Thank you.